Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see about the topic called M-Parivahan. M-Parivahan is a very important app released by Ministry of Transport India, and with the purpose of this using this app is to provide all transport related public services to the end user with easy access. And if you are part of public or transport services and or you are a frequent traveler, I suggest you to download this app. Here I have explained about the salient feature of this app, so watch the video carefully to use the app effectively, and that this app will be an intermediate one between the end user and the public transport services. Okay, let's get into that video. And that first feature of this app is download that virtual RC book. What do you mean by virtual RC book? Virtual RC book is used to do the KYC services related to the transport services, and you can use that virtual RC book as a valid ID proof for instead of having that hard copy as a document. Okay, so and going to create that virtual RC book here. So for that, what should I do is I need to enter that my registered vehicle number. I'm just entering that registered vehicle number here. And if I click search button, automatically it will return that records related to that registered vehicle number. But so I'm just providing my the last 4 digit of chassis number. I'm entering the last 4 digit of engine number, and if I click verify, automatically the data will be downloaded. It is saying go to dashboard to check the RC detail, and if you click OK, that the received RC details will be available in that RC dashboard. Yeah, so if I click that again, automatically the virtual RC got updated and one QR code is generated, and you can download that QR code. So this is what the virtual RC, and you can see all the relevant details related to your RC book. Okay, so here you can download this QR code and you can carry this wherever you want. So this will be used as a KYC services for transport purpose. So the next feature is download that virtual license. So what do you mean by virtual license? We are providing that license information and we are keeping that license detail in online. So at that time we don't need to carry that hard copy of the driving license, and it can be used for any KYC services as well as a valid document for a owner of the specific vehicle. So I am just trying to download my driving license. Here I need to provide that relevant driving details. So I am just entering my driving details, DL number. Yeah, so once I click search, automatically I can see that all the information related to my driving license with photo. Okay, here if you click add to dashboard for virtual driving license, it will ask the relevant date of birth. So if I provide my date of birth, then only it will add the details of the transport driving license number. So the third feature is search the driving license of known DL number. Means this app is not only for you, it can be used for anyone else. Means if you want to track any driving license, at that time you can go for this by providing the relevant RC number or by providing the relevant DL number. Okay, so even you can search that unknown person's driving license or unknown person's RC number, but only thing that it will provide that basic information of that relevant RC number or driving license number. You cannot misuse that information. Okay, and the fourth feature is transport emergency services, and this is the main important feature of this app. So that means it is providing many emergency services by clicking that the third icon available in the right corner. Yeah, I have clicked it. You can see that emergency services. Here you have 2 or 3 options: create now, or call ambulance, or tap to notify the contacts. So the last two options are very important. That means if in case of any emergency, you can tap call ambulance. Automatically the relevant information will be sent to 102. Okay, and third important feature is tap to notify contacts. Means if you click tab, that all the emergency messages will be triggered to the contacts available in our phone. So this is a very important feature in case of emergency time. Okay, so the very important feature, I request you to activate this emergency feature. And the next feature is legal inquiries to get transport related documents. That means if you want to know that what is the legal procedure to take any document that is related to the transport services, for that you need to tap the three lines available in the left corner of the mobile, and you can see that all the menus and options available in the mParivahan app. Here if you scroll down, you can see, if you click registration information, you can see all the details relevant to the transport services. For example, if you want that a duplicate of RC, you need to tap that duplicate RC. Automatically it will show what type of documents are required, where should you go, how to apply the documents. Everything will be provided. So this is a very legal document. You don't need to go to any private website to verify these documents. So here they have provided everything, what type of documents are required and what is that form 26, and everything is provided in that relevant pages. Likewise, they have provided many service related ideas related to the transport facilities, HP termination, address change, ownership transfer, trade certificate and registration display, diplomatic vehicles. Like that, they are having plenty of information related to the transport services. I suggest you to go through one by one if you are looking for any services part of these transport services. And the next services feature is find the nearby transport services. For example, if I want to do something that is related to transport services, at that time I don't need to get into that googling and verify that the relevant services. Here you can download and search everything with the tapping our services. Here you can see what is the nearest pollution center, what is the nearest RTO, and what is the challenge feature available in this mParivahan, and you can take that even real mock test here. And additionally, we are having more features in that mParivahan app. Here you can see, finally you can pay the tax. Even you can pay the tax, or if you are having any pending transaction against your vehicle number, that also you can pay through this app. You don't need to go to that relevant center to pay that pending transaction. So this also can be paid using this app. So I suggest this is the one time application related to that transport services. Okay, and if you are part of any transport facilities or a frequent traveler, this is the very important app. I suggest you to download and get use of it. Okay, so thank you for watching and hope it helps you, and see you again with another useful video.